Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Whole Foods pizza is probably one of the most surprisingly delightful and convenient meal solutions for those busy weeknights or spontaneous gatherings, offering a gourmet-quality experience right from your oven without the hassle of making it from scratch, making it a go-to choice for a quick yet satisfying dinner that truly elevates the ready-to-bake pizza game. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Introducing the ultimate kitchen companion for avocado lovers. This innovative tool simplifies the entire process, making your meal prep quicker and cleaner. First, it expertly splits the avocado in half with minimal effort. Its design ensures a smooth and safe cut every time. Next, the integrated stainless steel pitter takes care of the seed. With just one quick twist, it safely and cleanly removes the pit. Finally, the slicer creates 7 uniform pieces, effortlessly lifting the delicious fruit from its skin. Enjoy perfectly portioned avocado for all your dishes. Designed for your comfort, it features a soft, non-slip grip. This ensures a secure hold, even when your hands are wet. When you're done, cleaning is a breeze. Simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a thorough wash. What we like? This tool simplifies avocado prep. Its 3-in-1 design handles splitting, pitting, and slicing effortlessly. If you frequently enjoy avocados and want a quick, clean, and safe way to prepare them, this is an excellent choice for your kitchen. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about pizza fresh Whole Foods can be extracted. Number 4. McCormick Grinder Essentials Variety Pack. Discover the McCormick Grinder Essentials Variety Pack. It brings a world of flavor right to your kitchen, making every meal special. You can feel good about what you're adding to your food. This pack is proudly non-GMO, ensuring natural goodness. Experience the bold, classic taste of freshly ground black peppercorn. It's perfect for enhancing savory dishes with a sharp, aromatic kick. Elevate your cooking with the delicate flavor of Himalayan pink salt. Its beautiful color and subtle taste are a gourmet touch. Add complexity with the peppercorn medley, a blend of different peppercorns. It offers a unique depth of flavor to any recipe. Finish your dishes with the clean, crisp taste of sea salt. It's an essential for everyday seasoning and gourmet finishing. This convenient variety pack offers all these essential spices in easy-to-use grinders. They are perfect for adding fresh flavor to every dish. What we like? Elevate your meals with freshly ground spices. This pack offers a versatile selection of essential seasonings. If you appreciate fresh flavor in your cooking and want a convenient way to add gourmet touches to various dishes, this variety pack is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Simple Mills Almond Flour Baking Mix, Artisan Bread Mix. Discover the joy of freshly baked bread with this convenient mix. It's designed to make baking delicious artisan bread simple and enjoyable for everyone. Crafted with wholesome almond flour, this mix offers a delightful texture and rich flavor. It's a smart choice for those seeking quality ingredients in their baking. For those with dietary sensitivities, this mix is a perfect solution. It's certified gluten-free, ensuring everyone can enjoy a slice without worry. Embracing a plant-based or paleo lifestyle? This bread mix fits right in. It aligns with your dietary preferences, making healthy eating easier. Experience the ease of baking a homemade loaf that's both nutritious and incredibly tasty. Bring the warmth and aroma of artisan bread to your kitchen. What we like? Enjoy delicious, wholesome bread with ease. This mix is crafted with almond flour, making it gluten-free and paleo-friendly. If you follow a specific dietary lifestyle or are looking for a healthier, plant-based bread option, this mix is an ideal solution. What people say. Number 2. Simple Mills Pizza Dough Baking Mix. Craving delicious homemade pizza? This baking mix makes it incredibly easy to create your favorite dish right in your own kitchen. You'll love the convenience and taste. Preparing your dough is a breeze. Simply combine it with water and a touch of oil, then knead. It's designed for effortless baking, even for beginners. Made with simple, wholesome ingredients, this mix ensures a delicious and satisfying crust every time. You can feel good about what you're serving your family and friends. Whether it's a family dinner or a fun gathering, this mix is perfect. Top it with your favorite ingredients and enjoy a personalized pizza experience. Ready for a fantastic pizza night? Grab a 9.8-ounce box and start baking. It's the perfect foundation for your culinary masterpiece. What we like? Create homemade pizza quickly and healthily. This mix provides a simple way to make gluten-free pizza dough. If you love pizza but need a convenient, dietary-friendly option for family pizza night, this mix makes it incredibly easy. What people say. No product reviews were available in the provided source. Unable to extract points as the input data was empty. Number 1. Bread Baking for Beginners Guide. Are you new to the world of baking? This essential guide is designed specifically for beginners, making the art of bread making accessible to everyone. You'll learn the fundamental techniques for creating delicious kneaded breads. It walks you through each step, ensuring perfect results every time. Discover the simplicity of no-knead breads, perfect for busy schedules. This section shows you how to achieve incredible flavor with minimal effort. Explore the rich world of enriched breads, from brioche to challah. It provides clear instructions to help you create these delightful treats. This comprehensive guide is your perfect companion for transforming simple ingredients into artisanal loaves. Get ready to bake with confidence and joy. What we like? Master the art of bread baking from scratch. This guide covers everything from kneaded to no-knead and enriched breads. If you're new to baking and eager to learn a wide range of bread-making techniques, this comprehensive book is your perfect starting point. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.